Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my 4-ingredient all natural deodorant, and I'm excited to share it with you guys, so let's get right into it. So for this recipe, you are going to need 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then this is totally optional, but I also included a few drops of my favorite essential oil. And then you're also going to need a reusable container to put your deodorant in. So now I'm just heating up the stove and boiling a pot of water. And while I'm letting that boil, I'm going to go ahead and mix all of my ingredients in a bowl. Once your water is at a boil, then you can go ahead and place your bowl on top, mix everything together until it looks similar to this, kind of like a runny yogurt. When everything is mixed together, you can remove your bowl, add your essential oil, give it one more good mix, and transfer it into your reusable container. Then just place it in your fridge for a few hours to let it firm up, and when you take it out, it should look something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace.